Okay, let's summarize this Big Six lesson. You took a pretest, you worked your way through the Big Six steps while you researched, and you used the handout as a guide if you need help. Remember that the Big Six is a 6-stage model to help you answer questions using information. Through these 6 steps, you're going to identify your research goals, seek, use, and collect important and credible information. And finally, you should have evaluated your own work by reflecting on your information gathered. Remember your Big Six. Step 1, task definition. This is where you will define the information problem. What kind of research project did you present? What is your topic? How long does it have to be? When is it due? Basic questions. Step 2 is the information seeking strategies. Determine all possible sources or where you can find information. You're going to evaluate different possible sources to determine priorities. You're going to select the best sources for your project. Step 3 is when you start locating and accessing your information. Where do I go to find sources? How can I find what you need? How do you find information within the sources? And who can you have help you to find these sources? Hopefully, guys, you're asking your librarian or your teacher. Step 4, you're going to use of information. What information does the source give me? Can you understand the information? What information can you use? How are you getting the information out of the source? Step 5 is synthesis. Think about how you can take all the information you've gathered and put it together in a way that makes sense. You figure out a way to present this information. What materials do you need? Then you're going to make this rough draft, edit it, and you're going to make a final copy. And the final step, step 6, is evaluation. You judge the product for effectiveness. Did you do a good job? Now judge the process for efficiency. Did you follow the rubric that your teacher gave you? Did you complete all the parts in the proper order? Still confused? Let's look at the handout I gave you. As you're researching, this handout will remind you of the Big Six. Each box gives you questions to help you guide your research. Also, the bottom right corner, there's a section with extra resources if you need help learning the Big Six approach to researching. 3 of those are links to videos. They're on YouTube, and they actually tell you step by step these 6 steps and give you a visual example of what to do. So if you're having problems, this handout will help, but look at those videos online too. Okay, that is our Big Six research process. Hope you had fun researching.